Alright, we got some tilapia tonight. Some nice tilapia fillets. Gonna do them in some lemon butter. There's the lemons. Some lemon butter, a little cracked black pepper. Heating up my butter and olive oil. Got some wild rice working here, so we'll come back here in a second when we start to pull it together. Alright, wild rice is 1.25 cups of wild rice and 1.25 cups of chicken broth. And I got these nice tilapia fillets. I've dried them off. Set them right down in that butter and olive oil. Got on medium heat. I'm going to take it a little easy with these. They're nice, pretty nice fillets. Fit one more in there. Alright. Alright, we got our fillets working. I'm going to come in here with some fresh lemon. Get a lot of fresh lemon on these. And we're going to save some lemon for the plate. These will not take long, and we don't want to overcook them. We want to hit them with some pepper. We're grinding some fresh black pepper here. Alright. Got that wild rice working. We've got some mixed greens, turnip and mustard greens with seasoning, can of that. Flipped our tilapia over. Going to hit it on the other side with a little bit of lemon, a little more lemon, a little more pepper. Like I said, these only take about a minute aside. Alright. Fish is done. Turn that heat off. I'm going to sit these on a rack. Sit them in the oven until we get everything ready here. A few more minutes on the wild rice, so we'll let these hang out in the warm oven until we're ready. Fish and the wild rice, a little bit of lemon, mustard and turnip greens, seasoned, and put a little hot pepper sauce. Iced tea.